Hey guys, what's up? This is Holly with 2 E's from HollywoodHair.com. Today I want to show you my fabulous new clip-in hair extensions from Bellissa Hair. I'm super excited because they sent me these really high quality Remy clip-in hair extensions to try, and I cannot wait to get them in my hair. As you can tell, I have really baby fine, thin hair. It is long, but it would be nice to add a little bulk to it, which is what I'm hoping to get out of the extensions. However, my problem is, because my hair is so fine, a lot of times hair extensions don't look good in my hair because I don't have enough hair to cover up the weft, and then my tracks are showing and it looks bad. So one of the good things that I like about Bellissa Hair is that they have really thin wefts up top, so they blend nicely with your real hair. One of the awesome things about Bellissa Hair is that they use high quality Remy hair, which basically means that the cuticle is still intact on the hair and the cuticle is all facing the same direction as it would naturally on hair. So what does that mean? It means that you're going to end up with really natural, good looking hair, and it's going to last a long time. Everything about it is just better. So Remy hair is the way to go if you want your hair to look natural, which you do. So just trust me that you want to go with a good quality hair extension if you want to take this seriously. So they sent me extensions from their Seamless collection, which are supposed to blend really well with your natural hair. And I got an ombre color, which is awesome. The dark matches pretty good with my hair, and the blonde matches pretty good with my blonde. So these are a good fit. One of the things that I worried about initially was if they were going to match my hair or not. But what's cool about Bellissa Hair is they have sample rings that they can send you. It had a bunch of different colors on it, and I was able to try them out next to my real hair to find the perfect fit before I actually committed to ordering the extension. Alright, well, I can't wait to get these in my hair, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is section out your hair and clip the rest of your hair up. So if you add a little bit of back combing to your hair, it will help the extensions sit better in your hair, gives them something to grip onto. And then you just clip them onto your natural hair. So one of the best ways to make them blend is to stack them pretty close to each other. So since these are real human hair, you can straighten them, you can curl them, you can do whatever you would do to your real hair to these. So I'm going to straighten them so that they blend better with my hair. So as you can see, they blend perfectly with my hair. The color matches perfectly. You cannot see the tracks, even though I have a ton of extra hair in my hair. You can't tell that they're fake at all. So these are pretty awesome. It's great to go with high quality hair extensions. I'm so happy to have them. I can't wait to see all the cool styles I can do with them. Thank you so much, Bellissa Hair, for sending these to me. They are amazing. I cannot wait to use them in my everyday life.